on the bell. Once the bell is clicked, you will get all notifications. Thank you. Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you Methi chicken drumstick. It's very tasty and very delicious. I have a 5 pound of chicken drumstick. I'm going to take the skin off. Half cup homemade dahi and Kasoori Methi, the Fenugreek leaves. Half cup cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons, and salt, 2 teaspoons. These are the only spices I'm going to use. And let's get started. I have taken out the skin and I washed it, and this is what I'm going to do. Get a knife and I'm going to make one deep cut on this side, one on this side, and if the drumsticks are too big like these, then you can make a 3 cut. This is the cut we needed. And why I wanted to have a cut? So that the masala can go in and it will taste better. I'm going to place this one in the mixing bowl, and I will finish up cutting all of these the same way. Get a mixing bowl or a big pot, fry, and I'll bring salt, ground cayenne pepper, and Kasoori Methi. I'm going to bring dahi. It's a homemade dahi, yogurt, curd. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, this is how the masala going to look. Now I'm going to bring the chicken drumstick, and with the hand, we're going to massage it really well. And this is really important that we're going to put all the masala into the curd. Once all the spices are nicely coated, and this is our marination. Keep it overnight, that will be perfect, but I'm going to keep it for 2 hours. The Methi chicken drumsticks are marinated for 2 hours. I'm going to place it in oven tray. I have my oven preheated at 500 degree Fahrenheit, which is 260 degrees Celsius. And we're going to keep it for half an hour. And after half an hour, turn the chicken pieces over, cook additional 10 minutes. And I'll place this one in oven. Our tray is ready. I'll turn the light on. As you can see, I have a bottom tray filled with the water, and it's a hot boiling water. So be careful, don't burn yourself. Look at this. And I'm going to place the tray right on top. And as I said, just be careful. So I'm going to pull the tray up, and we're going to leave it for half an hour. After half an hour, we'll turn the chicken over for 10 minutes to make it more crispy and crunchier. It's exactly 30 minutes cooking our chicken. And now I'm going to open it, and real quick, I'm going to turn those chicken pieces over. So be careful when you open it. And if you haven't tried with the water, please try it. It's going to give you juicy, moist chicken. When you're going to eat it, you're going to enjoy it. You're not going to have a dry chicken. It will be perfectly moist. When it comes to oven cooking, people do get fed up because of dry chicken. But try this easy steps method and you will fall in love with it. And we're going to leave it another 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes, altogether 40 minutes. I'm going to turn off the oven, and now we're going to wait for 5 more minutes before I'm going to take it down out. We rested the chicken for 5 minutes, and I'm going to open it, and I'm going to take out all the chicken pieces. This is all perfectly done. Super moist, super juicy. And let me share with you. It's so super juicy and moist. If I can show it to you, look at the chicken. It's not dry anymore. It's moist, tender. This is perfect cooking. Juicy, moist Methi chicken drumsticks all ready, and please try it. And please try this method and you're going to like it. Please let me know under comments how it turned out for you. And like always, if you like it, like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.